Hi boys and girls, this is your Fix It Up practice. For this practice, you will need a highlighter and a pencil. So if you don't have a highlighter right with you, go ask your teacher for one. For this practice, you are going to look at the sentences. There's 3 different sentences. You're going to read the sentence and figure out what you need to do to make it a perfect sentence. Because boys and girls, these sentences look a little crazy. So you're going to first highlight the mistakes. So using your highlighter, go through the sentence and highlight the things that are wrong. Here's an example. I see that this is the word the, but I know that all sentences start with a capital letter. So I need to make this T a capital letter. And I see that this H is already a capital letter, but it should be a lowercase letter. So I'm going to highlight this too because that's a mistake too. Then on this line, I would write the word the right way in the beginning of a sentence with a capital T, a lowercase h, and a lowercase e. So for the rest of the sentence, boys and girls, we want you to look at it and figure out what you need to do to make it a perfect sentence. You're going to rewrite the sentences on these empty lines down here. Okay, so you're going to do that for all 3 sentences. Look at them, highlight the mistakes, and rewrite it in a perfect sentence down here on this line. Make sure all your sentences have a capital letter in the beginning, finger spaces in between the words, and that special period at the very end. Good luck, boys and girls. I know you all are amazing writers.